Well, I think it'll do a burnout just fine. Holy crap.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see here, Ryan's getting a forklift running. Why? Because we bought stuff we don't need.
Like always.
And we need the forklift to get it off the trailer. So that
things off the trailer.
hopefully we can roll one. We ain't gonna roll the other. There she goes. You should spray her. Alright guys, we finally got this dueling camper unloaded. Bad thing about just being me and Ryan, we can't really film nothing, especially something like that camper where, you know, we're driving the forklift, which has no brakes, so Ryan's really got to help guide me to see what the heck I'm doing because I can't stop. I mean, it takes more than, you know, two people to film something when you're taking it off. But right now, we're pushing the dually with this fine little thing we got. Look at the steering wheel. He drives and steers me and I just push him. So we're pushing this thing back to the garage and we're gonna check the truck out, see what we got. Check out the mirror on the back window. How'd you drive?
Best driving truck ever. Quiet, very quiet.
Show them the mural.
The mural, all the deer. That's nice.
This is a fine unit. Look how clean it is. It's got a little bit of rust right here. The door is starting to bubble. But other than that,
This thing probably spent its whole life in a national park or something.
Ooh, look at that 434.
Air conditioning too.
And it's all there. That's what's nice. The other dually has AC, but all of
Dual
it's
batteries. Still got the jack underneath here. Dang, that's nice.
Think the AC still charged?
I'm gonna say no, but I'll be shocked if it is. No. Oh, whoa!
Dang.
Holy crap! Man, you really know how to buy them.
We could have drove this bad boy home. Well, I don't know. As AC, that's all I need in the vehicle.
This thing should clean up nice. I really like the Camper Special badge. That's pretty cool. I mean,
Oh,
it has a camper. Well, had. What we got in here? First aid kit.
We really could have drove it back.
Man, I don't know if I'd want to use any of that, but it's still wrapped in the package.
Attacked by a bear, we would have been able to fix ourselves.
Throw some band-aids on it.
You got the corona vaccine in here?
CB radio.
Burger 19. What is this?
Trailer brake? Maybe?
Oh, it is what it is. These are hydraulic.
Huh.
Check that out. I see this. It's got a hydraulic line coming from, I'd imagine, the master cylinder out there into this trailer brake. Some people may not be shocked by that, but I've never seen that before. Check out the dash pad.
Not cracked.
It is not cracked.
That is impossible. Obviously not impossible because it's sitting right in front
That's
of me.
why they're nice from the northwest, because they don't get the sun baked on them. So the paint and everything's nice, but they don't use salt, so the trucks are nice.
We got a parts store back here. Hoses, bungee cords.
Dude, we could have drove this bad boy.
It's in the Napa box. U-joint?
Where?
Right there. The white one. You even got a breaker bar with a... You got a socket on it already?
Nice
Plug
little
wire.
rotor. You know?
Oh.
Go it fired, change the rotor, go back on the road again.
Man, this guy was prepared. Man, this is a cool truck. It's even got all the cab lights.
Hey, we're messing around.
Oh. Let's get this old girl cleaned up.
Alright guys, with the help of our fine forklift, it was probably built at the same time this fine camper was built.
You know, it might have been.
We got this old girl unloaded. Let's go around and check her out. It's not that bad, really.
Definitely a heavy one.
It is very heavy. It's not damage up there from the straps, but I told the guy I wasn't worried about it because, I mean, what do you expect from him?
I honestly thought it was way worse than what it looked like. But
There's a little bit of damage. Where'd you see that damage at, Ryan?
there's a little,
oh, up there.
There's a little bit up here. It looks like it had a little water leak or something, or something hit it. I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
Who knows the story on it? The stories this thing could tell would be probably pretty wild.
You ready to see what's in there?
I'm gonna freeze, really. Get the door open.
Knock.
You gotta knock first?
Yeah.
RV's not rocking.
Dang.
Well,
What the heck?
You got your tailgate.
Oh, man. The tailgate's in here. Imagine if this would have fell off like we told the shipper we didn't care about,
Yeah.
and we lost the tailgate.
Your fire extinguisher's a little out of date.
What's the date on it?
83 or 83, 84. 84. It's got a little thing over here. 1984. It might still work.
This thing is not too shabby. Wonder what kind of critters are in here.
doesn't have any strange smells in here, so it may not be any.
No, it doesn't. You can definitely tell, like, over there and up there. Over there, the roof leaked in it. Should we open the refrigerator?
I don't know.
Are you ready?
Seen worse.
Oof. What is that?
What?
This thing. Like a vent to over here.
I think it's like the evaporator deal or the cooler thing.
It goes into the closet, whatever it is.
Definitely been used.
What do you think he had in here? Red or maroon cans? Dr. Pepper?
Budweiser, probably.
Budweiser?
Probably.
Think he was a Bud drinker? I can tell you one thing. It ain't green, it ain't Mountain Dew.
No, it's not.
Let's check his tailgate out. Hold this.
That's what that's for. Whoa.
Nice. This thing's tipsy.
Yeah, it is.
Look at that. It's got like
Man.
no rust on it. I wish we would have had this on when we launched it. He's got new freaking lenses.
Yeah, it's got all the lenses on it. That's
pretty
sweet.
nice. Help.
What do you help with?
A lot of things, but
Oh.
I can't talk
Think
about it on
AAA
YouTube.
will help you out there? Oh!
Oh, dang. We're going to put this on the truck.
Dang. Truck's already got one.
Truck's already got one?
Put that on the Nova.
I need a lot more than just AAA insurance. Holy cow.
What's over there on the wall? A radio?
The radio. Stand by. I don't know what it is. An intercom?
For what? Talk to the truck?
Look. Put it over here. You get talk radio.
Oh.
That's off. Over here is like regular radio.
Oh.
That's how it works. So you want some Leonard Skinner? Or
Are you sure that's how it works?
I don't know how it works. The heck?
What do you got in here? Chains?
Tire chains.
Dang, we can go up in the mountains in this thing.
This guy went to some freaking serious places. What else?
We got the furnace.
See, there's a thing on the outside. I think you put like
Propane
your
in.
propane tank and hook it up to the furnace.
He's got a Coke can or a Shasta Cola holding up his non-existing light. Huh.
Wonder if that's what he drinks, Shastas.
I've never heard of that. What's in here?
Oh, that's a toolbox.
I can barely open this stupid thing.
Hold on.
Oh, wait. Go ahead. Dang.
Got a extra U-joint. Dude, my grandpa used to have these there's valve stem caps, or valve stems in them. My grandpa used to have these freaking everywhere.
Oh,
with stupid
ooh, that's
stuff in
wet.
it.
That's wet. That's, ugh.
That's why I'm wondering, it would smell moldy in here if this thing sat.
It had to have blown off. Good luck. Good luck. Hey.
Alright guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I'm actually kind of glad this thing showed up. I wasn't actually planning on buying it, but I was on the auction and it had come up and I saw the bid and I was like, holy crap, that's cheap, and I hit the button and then I won. So I'm like, alright, I'm gonna call, get some shipping on it. I called the auction, got a height. They said it was 12 foot on the truck. I don't know if it was actually or not, but being 12 foot high, putting it on like a trailer is 4 foot high. The thing's way too high to bring it back here, and this thing was it 28 hours away?
Yeah, it's
like
28,
1,800
29,
miles.
yeah.
So nobody would bring it back. So I had the auction actually separate the camper from the truck, and then I had like 6 or 7 guys that were going to bring it back, and then for some reason they just kind of bailed on me. So I mean, we had a quote for $5 grand to bring this thing back, and there was no way we were paying $5 grand. So luckily this guy saved the day, or saved the week, I guess, saved the budget, and yeah, we got them both back. And I'm actually happy that we didn't get rid of the camper, because kind of nice. Well, we're gonna do anything with it.
I don't know if we're gonna do anything with it either, but it's way nicer than what we expected.
Hey, the tailgate's in it, and that is huge, because finding an old tailgate with all the trim and everything, a rust-free tailgate at that.
Yeah.
All right, guys, that's gonna be it for today. We have to check in on the next video. We're gonna try to get this truck running, and I don't know, I'm gonna take it for a spin. It's gotta run. There's no reason why it wouldn't. But
Yeah. I don't know. I'm curious to see what it runs out with and without the camper.
I might put the camper back in and drive around. Who knows? It's kind of cool looking. But thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and we'll see you on the next one.